Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna see how even you can make your very own WWDC 23 themed Memoji wallpaper easily and quickly. So without further ado, let's roll the video. So as to get your very own WWDC 23 themed Memoji wallpaper, you need to make use of the Siri Shortcuts app and Apple's native Notes app. Before we get started, a huge shout out to the creator who thought and came up with it. To make your Memoji wallpaper, you'll be needing just one Siri shortcut, and the shortcut that will make a result like this is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. And once you tap the given link, it will open up a page of the Wallpapers Central website, where all you have to do is just scroll down and click on the link that reads Download the shortcut. Clicking that will open the shortcut in the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. And lastly, tap the button that reads Add Shortcut, and doing that will add it to the Siri Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Next up, open the Notes app and start a fresh new note. Within that note, just add your favorite Memoji sticker. Tap the sticker and then click the share icon and scroll down until you see an option that reads Me WWDC 23. Once found, tap it. Since we are making use of this shortcut for the very first time, you'll be getting few notifications from the same, and all you have to do is keep clicking allow whenever a new notification shows up. And in a matter of few seconds, your very own WWDC 23 themed Memoji wallpaper will be ready. And now you can simply save it on your iPhone by clicking the share icon, then tapping the save image option. And then the final step, set that as your iPhone's wallpaper. It's that easy. So with that being said, here's Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.